Hi all, welcome to the world of biology. Get ready with your pen and paper. Question number 1. Plants which flower only once are pericarpic, monocarpic, polycarpic, clistocarpic. Answer is monocarpic. Number 2. The smallest measuring unit of cytology is nanometer, micrometer, angstrom, femtometer. Answer is angstrom. Question number 3. Light source in electron microscope is infrared light, ultraviolet radiations, cooled daylight, beam of electrons. Answer is beam of electrons. Question number 4. Subcellular components are separated with the help of self-fractionation, electrophoresis, autoradiography, chromatography. Answer is self-fractionation. Question number 5. Autoradiography is employed for knowing pathway of carbon assimilation, evolution of oxygen during photosynthesis due to photolysis of water. Option C, absorption maxima of photosynthetic pigments, photorespiration. Pathway of carbon assimilation. Answer is pathway of carbon assimilation. Question number 6. Highest resolving power is that of fluorescent microscope, polarizing microscope, ultraviolet microscope, electron microscope. Answer is electron microscope. Which of the following is a vital dye? Methylene blue, neutral red, Janus green, all the above. Answer is all the above. Question number 8. Dye which cannot stain chromatin is crystal violet, fuelgen stain, hematoxin, carmine. Answer is crystal violet. Question number 9. The scientist who developed cytochemical technique for identification of DNA was McClintock, Fuelgen and Rosenbeck, Abbe, Waldeyer. Answer is Fuelgen and Rosenbeck. Scientific investigation will be nearer to truth when there is very accurate experimental procedure and monitoring, correct observation, accurate prediction, sound knowledge of mathematics. Answer is very accurate experimental procedure and monitoring. Question number 11. Physical basis of life is cell, protoplasm, nucleus, food. Answer is protoplasm. Question number 12. Electron microscope has revealed the occurrence of leucoplasts, chloroplasts, ribosomes, chromosomes. Answer is ribosomes. Question number 13. Maximum magnification in an electron microscope is 2000, 200, 20,000, 2 lakhs. Answer is option D, 2 lakhs. Question number 14. Ultrastructure of a cell organelle can best be studied through microdissection, electron microscope, phase contrast microscope, photoradiography. Answer is electron microscope. Question number 15. Electron microscope has a high resolution power. This is due to electromagnetic lenses, very low wavelength of electron beam, low wavelength of light source used, high numerical aperture of glass lenses used. Answer is very low wavelength of electron beam. Question number 16. Resolving power of human eye is 100 micrometer, 200 micrometer, 50 micrometer, 150 micrometer. Answer is 100 micrometer. Question number 17. Resolving power of electron microscope is 1000 angstrom, 10 angstrom, 1 angstrom, 100 angstrom. Answer is 10 angstrom. Question number 18. Electron microscope was invented by Sleden, Zygmunt, Nolan Ruska, Waldeyer. Answer is Nolan Ruska. Fuel gun test is specified for proteins, DNA, RNA, lipids. Answer is DNA. X-ray crystallography is useful in the study of lipid structure, arrangement of proteins, composition of nucleic acids and proteins, three-dimensional structure of proteins. Answer is three-dimensional structure of proteins. Thank you.